Iwori Meyi divined for Akun, the coral bead. Before leaving heaven, the beads also went to Ìwòrì for divination. However, he instructed 3 of his substitutes to perform the divination for the bead. They were Afún, Yin, Yin, Ake, Yin, Yin, Oyin, Yin, Ke, Biala. They performed divination for the coral bead, Akun in Yoruba and Ivy in Bini, who was named Olomo Akeriwaye in heaven. They advised that he make a sacrifice so they could live forever on earth as an instrument of adornment and nobility, and so that they would be handled with respect and dignity. He was to sacrifice with a he-goat, a rat, a fish, a white hen, a white dove, white cloth, and white thread. He made the sacrifice before coming to the world, where he was received with joy. Since his arrival in the world, he has demanded the respect of everyone to this day. He is associated with royal aristocracy and ceremonial adornments.